What is up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mobi, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to remove roles and features from your server. So in our previous video, we installed the Active Directory Domain Services role, and we also installed the Group Policy Management feature. As you can see, the role is also listed in our dashboard and our feature is listed in our Tools tab. For this demonstration, I will be removing the Group Policy Management feature and also the Active Directory Domain Services role. So to remove that, all you have to do is click on Manage, click Remove Roles and Features. A Before You Begin window pops up with guidelines to follow before you remove a role or a feature. Below that, you will see, before you continue, verify the following tasks have been completed. These 4 bullets are just guidelines on what to do before you remove a role or a feature. So bullet number 1 says, decide if you want to save or delete the role data. Bullet 2 says, migrate role settings and data to another server. Bullet 3 says, schedule downtime for affected services. And bullet 4 says, notify users of potential service interruptions. These are just guidelines for you to take note before you remove a role or a feature. So let's click on Next. In the Select Destination Server window, you will have to select the server that you want to remove the role from. So in our case, we only have one server and it is our host machine. So we're going to leave everything as default and then click on Next. The Remove Server Role window pops up and we have to select the role that we want to remove. So in our previous video, we installed the Active Directory Domain Services role, and in this case, we are going to uncheck the button. A window pops up again, which informs us that you can remove management tools or leave them installed on this server to manage other servers. So we don't have any other server that we are managing. So in our case, we will click on the button that says Remove Features. Now click Next. To remove the Group Policy feature, we just have to uncheck the button, but as you can see, the button has already been unchecked because we have removed the Active Directory Domain Services role. So in our case, let's just leave everything as default and then click Next again. If the Group Policy has a check on it, just uncheck the button or else the Group Policy Management feature will not be uninstalled. So in our case, we are going to make sure that this box here is blank. So let's click on Next. Once you press Next, you will see the Confirm Removal Selection window. For this demonstration, I'm going to click on the Restart the Destination Server automatically if required. A pop-up window pops up again, informing me or alerting me that once I click Yes, the server will restart automatically without any additional notifications. So I'm going to click on Yes. And then below that is a list of all the features that you want to remove. In our case, we want to remove Active Directory Domain Services. We also want to remove the Group Policy Management feature and the other features that are accompanied by Active Directory Domain Services. So once you are happy, just click on the button Remove. And now the process for removing the Active Directory Domain Services has started. You can click Close again if you want to do something in the background. If you want to see the progress of the Remove Roles and Features, all you have to do is click on the Notifications button and then also click on the Remove Roles and Features. Then you'll be able to see how far is the removal process. After that, your server should restart. Okay guys, in my case, my server had to restart. After your PC restarts, log back into your server and then the Server Manager opens up. As soon as the Server Manager opens up, you will see the Removal Progress window pop up. And as you can see guys, it is completing the removal progress for the features that I wanted to uninstall. After this is complete, all I have to do is click on Close. After you click Close, please note that the Active Directory Domain Services feature has been removed from your dashboard and also to your left-hand side menu. And to confirm if the group policy is also uninstalled, all I have to do is click on Tools. And if I scroll down, now I don't see Group Policy Management feature. So that means our role and our feature have successfully been uninstalled. So guys, in this video, I wanted to show you guys how to remove a role or a feature from your server that you don't need. Sometimes we might find ourselves installing features that we don't need and they might require extra configuration that clashes with your server, giving you lots of errors on your server. So to maintain a clean and well-functioning server, all you have to do is to install the features that you need the most, and the ones you don't need, just remove them. And this was a tutorial on how to remove those features that you don't need. So guys, if you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you guys. For now, I will see you on the next video, and remember, each one teach one.